student, let's begin with question number 3. Question 3 is a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she preferred to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she want to have a steep slide at the height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Okay, please open your textbook whenever you are solving this exercise. It is exercise number 9.1, question number 3. So see, accordingly I have drawn the diagram first. Try to understand this diagram along with the question. What is the question? A contractor है, he plans to install the slides. This is a slide on which the children play. For the she wants to install 2 slides, one for the children below the age of 5 years. Okay, then for that she preferred to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter. ठीक है, उसका टॉप जो होगा वो 1.5 मीटर होना चाहिए. मतलब ये वाला जो होगा आपका, ये वाला जो स्लाइड बनाया है हमने DBE, ये वाला जो ट्रायंगल का स्लाइड है, ये जो टॉप होगा DB, ये होगा 1.5 मीटर पर एंड इंक्लाइंड एट एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री विद द ग्राउंड. ग्राउंड से वो कितने डिग्री पे होगा? 30 डिग्री पे होगा. And whereas the older children, for some bigger children, older children, she want to have the steep slide of height 3 meters. So this is the another slide, steep slide, जिसकी जो height होगी वो कितने मीटर होगी? 3 meter. So that is AB is equal to 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree with the ground. ठीक है. What should be the length of the slide in each case? In both the slides we have to find the length of the slide. स्लाइड कहाँ है? ये पोजीशन है स्लाइड का, यहीं से आप स्लाइड करोगे ना, इसी पे बैठ के आप खेलोगे. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट DE ऑल्सो एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट AC ऑल्सो फॉर बोथ द स्लाइड्स. आई होप यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड द डायग्राम. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन द फिगर this DE is the slide for younger children. Okay, so here D is slide for younger children. Okay, and AC is the slide. AC is the slide for older children, right? Now, so first of all, in right angle triangle ABC, I am going to put, we can say sin 60, because see, ये पता है हमको 60, हमें ये अपोजिट साइड पता है, थीटा की अपोजिट साइड AB पता है, एंड वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट AC. सो यू नो दैट साइंस रेशो साइन थीटा इक्वल टू अपोजिट अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस. तो ये साइड आप पहले ही जानते हो, जैसे आपको बताया है कि जो गिवन है वो साइड लेना और जो फाइंड करना है वो साइड जिस रेशो में इंक्लूड है वही रेशो आपको अप्लाई करना है. सो हियर वी कैन अप्लाई sin 60 फॉर दिस स्लाइड, for bigger slide, and for smaller slide we can apply sin 30 opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, so in triangle ABC we have AB equal to 3 meter. We have then we can apply here sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. What is the value of sin 60? It's √3 by 2, right, from the table. AB is 3 meter and AC we need to calculate. So we can easily calculate by cross multiplication. Here AC multiplied by √3 is equal to 3 2s are 6. So AC is equal to 6 upon √3. Rationalize the denominator, then it will become √3 multiplied by divided by √3. This is 6 √3. 3 √3 into √3 is 3. 3 2s are 6. So it is 2 √3 meter, or it is better if you will put the value of √3. You know the value of √3 is equal to 1.732. So 2 multiplied by 1.732, you will get the answer. It is 3.464 meter. All right, or 2 √3 meters. That's all about the big older slide. Now then apply sin 30 in triangle EBD. So in triangle EBD again we are going to apply sin 30 opposite, that is BD, upon hypotenuse, that is DE. Now you know the value of sin 30. आप जानते हो sin 30 की वैल्यू हाफ होती है, and DB is equal to 3 meter upon DE. So here sorry, dB equal to 1.5. Yeah, sorry. So DE, DE is equals to, by cross multiplication you can write ED is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 2. So ED is equal to 6 meter. Sorry, 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3 meters. Is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay, let's draw the diagram. Open your textbook, look at into the question. The question is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. So this AB is my tower. ये हमारा टावर है और एंड दिस इज द ग्राउंड लेवल जहाँ पे वो टावर स्टैंडिंग है. Okay, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so the angle of elevation of the top of the tower of the point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. तो ये जो फुट है टावर का वो इस पॉइंट से, ग्राउंड के पॉइंट से कितने मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे है? 30 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे है एंड इट इज मेकिंग द एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री. Okay, find the height of the tower. We need to find the height of the tower which is AB. AB is the question mark. Okay, now in this question AB जो है, AB is the height of the tower. Height of tower. You can assume it as H also or you can keep as it is also. ठीक है. Then point जो C है, it is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. That is AC. AC is equal to 30 meter. And what we need to find out? We need to find out height of the tower which is AB. So we can apply in triangle ABC. हमें ये निकालना है और हमें ये दिया है. अगर ये थीटा के अकॉर्डेंस में देखा जाए तो एडजेसेंट साइड इज गिवन टू अस एंड अपोजिट साइड इज आस. सो वी कैन अप्लाई हियर 1030 विच सेज अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट, राइट. तो हम 1030 यूज करेंगे. सो इन ट्राइंगल ABC वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई 1030. 10 is equal to opposite, that is AB upon adjacent. Adjacent is equal to AC. Now 1030, you know that value of 1030 is 1 by root 3. And AB is the height of the tower which we need to find out, and AC equal to 30. Now by cross multiplication, you will get root 3 AB is equals to 30. That is AB is equal to 30 upon root 3. So we can rationalize it. Root 3 multiplied by root 3. You will get AB is equals to 30 root 3 upon root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. So 3 tens are 30. That is 10 root 3 meter. Now substitute the value of root 3. So 10, what is the value of root 3? It is 1.732. So 10 multiplied by 1.732 is equals to, you will get near about answer 17.32 meter. Now question number 5 is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Okay, a kite is flying above the 60 meter ground. So see the diagram also along with it. This is the position of kite. यहाँ आपकी kite है जो ground से 60 meter पे है. That is AB is equal to 60 meter. All right. Then what else is given? Then it is given that कि the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point to the ground. The string, यहाँ का जो string है, it is attached to the ground. Position O, O is the ground. ये O जो है वो आपका ground है. यहाँ पे ये string उसकी attach है. The inclination of the string with the ground. ये string का ground से जो inclination है वो कितने डिग्री का है? 60 डिग्री का है. And we have to find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. And we have to find out this length of the string. Have you understood? This is a position of kite which is 60 meter above the ground, and the string, वो जो उसका string है, जो thread है, वो ground से 60 डिग्री का angle बना रहा है, and we have to find out this length of the string. All right. So we can apply, हमें अगर हम लोग theta को देखेंगे तो opposite side of theta is given and hypotenuse is asked. So we can apply sin 60. Okay, or you can say cosec 60 also can be applied. So I am going to apply sin 60 here. So here OB is the length of the string. OB is length of the string which we need to find out, and AB is the position of the height of the kite, we can say, which is 60 meter, which is a height of kite, height of the kite. So I am going to apply in triangle ABO sin 60. Sine 60 the ratio of sine opposite upon hypotenuse. 60 theta ये है, इसकी opposite side AB है and hypotenuse is OB. Now you know the value of sine 60, it is root 3 by 2 and AB is 60, OB we need to find out. So by cross multiplication you will get OB multiplied by root 3 is equal to 60 multiplied by 2. So OB is equals to 120 upon root 3, right? 62 and root 3. Now rationalize it. So your OB is equals to 120 upon root 3 multiplied by root 3 and divided by root 3. This implies 120 root 3 upon 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. We can cancel 120 by 3. 3 4s are 12. So 40 root 3. So your OB is equals to 40 root 3 meter, or after putting the value of root 3 as 1.732, it is always advisable to put the value of root 3. So you will get the accurate answer. So your answer is 69.28 meter. That's all. The length of the string is 69.28 meter.